Hey everyone, it's Irene, the Cosplay Counselor, here to help you with your high school, college, and career questions. So today's question is, how do I sign up for a college class as a high school student? Well, I'm glad you asked because there are a couple of steps that you'll need to take before enrolling in a college course. I'm going to go ahead and identify the different steps that you'll need to take. So if this sounds like a video that will be helpful to you, then keep watching. Step 1. Find out if it's dual enrollment or concurrent enrollment. So dual enrollment is where your high school has a partnership with the community college in that there is a reciprocity agreement where the grades earned at the community college will be reflected both on the high school transcript as well as the college transcript. Under concurrent enrollment, that's where you can take the class as a high school student, but the grades that you earn for that course will be strictly on the college transcript and will not be reflected on the high school transcript. It just kind of depends on what classes you'll want to take. You can kind of double dip if you do a dual enrollment class. You'll be able to earn the high school credit and the college credit, but if it's a class that your school doesn't offer, it's oftentimes a great option to go and take a concurrent enrollment course for a subject that maybe your school doesn't offer. Number 2, print out documents. So once you identify if the course that you want to take is either a dual enrollment class or if it's a concurrent enrollment class, there are different documents that you will need to print. For dual enrollment, there's usually a dual enrollment form that you'll need to print out and complete. If you're doing concurrent enrollment, oftentimes those forms are called special part-time forms. Identify which form you're going to get and then print those out. Number 3, get signatures. So once you've printed out the forms in step 2, you're going to go ahead and find the individual who would sign off on those forms. Oftentimes it's either your school counselor, the assistant principal, or principal who will sign off and give you permission to take the college level class. They're going to be looking at criteria such as your past academic grades, your attendance, so that they can recommend you as a good candidate to go and take that college level class. Step number 4, submit your application. So this is a very straightforward step. You'll go to the community college that you're interested to take the class at, go and apply online, and go and register for your classes. Once you have that submitted, you'll just need to wait to see if you're accepted to the class. So those are the steps to apply to community college as a high school student. If you found this video helpful, I would love it if you would share it. For more information, please check out my website, cosplaycounselor.com, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!